good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video, we'll try to fix this issue. Error opening sound device. Try changing the audio host, playback device and the project sample rate. Okay. See, when I import this audio file for the first time, it played perfectly, but I just made some changes. Maybe due to that, maybe due to some other reason. Whenever I try to play this playback, sometimes it is playing and sometimes this error which pop up on the screen is repeating. One thing I choose this is I just deleted this and I imported the audio once again. But time and again we can't do this, means whenever there is this pop-up issue we can't do this, especially if you don't want to close this Audacity and reopen again. What you can do is whenever you're facing that issue, try to change the audio setup. See here, click on this drop down here, click on the host here and change to Windows WAS API, then try to play the sound. Your problem will be fixed. Okay, just you need to click on this drop down and change the host. That is what mentioned in the pop-up. I hope this helps. If it is helpful, please do hit a like and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.